Hello you guys, so my name is Joshua Cohen, so today we're going to listen to the results at 9 o'clock a.m. in the morning, but today is Thursday. We have 6 minutes. It's 8:54. Alright. Well, yesterday there was a garbage truck, but you know, church happens, see, Sunday serves at 10 a.m. So you know, church happens on Sunday. Wow. Wow. I love this stuff. Alright. Look at the garbage truck! Mommy, a garbage truck! It's the recycling can! Wow! I saw a garbage truck. Did you saw that, guys? It was a garbage truck! Wow. Couldn't you believe it? They're doing it's the recycling can. Remember yesterday I saw the recycling garbage truck? So right now we're about to do 9 o'clock. Here we go. Wow. Oh, comes mommy. Oh. I gotta move out of the way. So that's why church happens on Sunday. Alright. So we have 4 minutes! It's 8:56. Somebody's moving. I can't hear anything. Wow. Did you saw that, guys? A garbage truck. Garbage truck came like minutes ago. We have 2 minutes. 3 minutes! It's 9:57. Oh, I gotta move out of the way. Whoa! Yeah. There's still 3 minutes. Did you saw that, Mommy? A garbage truck. But I did. I saw it earlier. It's the recycling. Now that we're back to our side, we have 2 minutes. There's 1 minute before that bell church. Still 9. It's still 8:58. Wow. Still 8:58. Alright, still 8:58. 1 minute! It's 8 I have 1 minute. Here, wait for it. Why, yeah, 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock right now. Man, it's already 9 o'clock. Oh, wow. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.